go.
What's up guys, Phil here today with another video, and we got a toolbox again, and we got my Xbox One S today, so I don't think I need to go through the entire process again. We're gonna open this bad boy up, see how it is. I think I need a T8, a T9, and a T10 torque screw. Hopefully it's not the security screws, because then I'll be screwed. Okay, that was a bad pun. But without any further ado, I'm gonna start opening this guy up, so hope you guys will enjoy. Alright, so here we go. We got my Xbox One S here. We got a star head screwdriver, a flat screwdriver. We got a T8 torque security screw in there. Okay, not the security screw, just a normal T8. Then I believe this is the T9 and this is a T10. So essentially what you want to do is that you want to go around here at the back and you just want to start prying this thing open. So you want to hear that click. That click means that it's getting out. So here we have the Xbox, so we're just gonna start unscrewing it, I guess. So for the 4 screws here, that was a T8, and for these other screws like this one and the gold screws, that was a T10. So as you can see here, it looks like it's being held in place by clips. So what I would do is that I'll take a screwdriver and start prying it off. Also here on the other side, it's being held together, so just quickly pry that off. Then I'm just gonna take this, peel it towards us, and wow, I've only had this thing for like a year and it's already dirty. Okay, so here we have the Xbox, so we're gonna lift this piece off, and there we go. This thing is dirty. It's dirty. I did not open this thing up to clean it, but it's dirty. So here we got the disk drive, the 4K Blu-ray disc drive. Here we got the fan. That's dirty. Here we got the 1 terabyte hard drive, which is a Toshiba. Nice to know. And then we have the built-in power supply, and this thing is disgusting. So just for the fun of it, I'm just gonna take a tissue and just clean it. I know it's probably not gonna make much of a difference. You should probably use pressurized air. Wow, I wanna blow this real quick. Oh my god, I don't know if the camera caught that, but that was so much dust. So what I wanted to show you is that little chip there. That little chip is actually pretty cool. It says Xbox One, wait, Microsoft Xbox One. I'm not sure if that is the CPU. If it is the CPU, then I don't know what that huge ass fan is doing there. But this might or might not be the CPU. I'm not sure, don't take my word for it, but that is pretty cool. Okay, so before we close this thing up, just want to go around a few things. It's nice that they have Microsoft written there. That's the power button. When you flip it around the side, actually not sure what that is. I'm assuming one of those two chips is like the Bluetooth and the Wi-Fi chip. So yeah, so we're gonna put this bad boy back together, and then after this I'm gonna go wash my hands because this thing was dirty. So first thing you're gonna want to put back on is this guy. Actually, interesting fact, this thing is like a cheese grater. So maybe after you get the Xbox One Project Scarlet next year, or whatever its official name is going to be, you can disassemble this thing and use it as a cheese grater. I'm lying, I'm joking, don't do that, don't be a degenerate. So we're gonna put it on just like so. Then we're gonna take the screwdriver. Now there's just a piece of like styrofoam here that's like holding it together from wriggling around. There we go. Took a while, but I finally got it connected. So now this is going to be one of the most important parts here. So remember when I said take a photo? Yeah, because you got to remember where all of those screws go. So I'm gonna do that. Remember to have a T9, a T8, and a T10 torque screw. So I'm just gonna go around one more time just to tighten them. So now we are almost done. We're just gonna take these pieces and just put them back on. So there we go. We have put together our Xbox One S. Now it's time for me to plug it to the TV and make sure it works. Hopefully it's not broken. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed me breaking apart my Xbox One, unscrewing it, then discovering how much of a dust pool it is, then briefly cleaning it, then reassembling it again. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Please leave a like down below and subscribe, and always again, thank you guys for watching my videos. Peace.